Welcome to my channel. In today's video I would like to show you the Tarot of Vampires by Ian Daniels. This deck has been published by Llewellyn and it has 78 cards and 301 pages guidebook. Unfortunately I can't show you the box as I keep this deck in a bag. So this is the guidebook. It's called Phantsmagoria. This guidebook looks like an ordinary book. It has so many details, not just about each card, but also about the tarot itself. Also how to use kabala and tarot, and a lot of different spreads and exercises. The guidebook is in black and white. Here you've got the contents. A dark and stormy night, some introduction and a background. This is a great guidebook and it provides really a lot of information, and it will help to get better knowledge about tarot, astrology and kabbalah. You've got the Tarot of Vampires, some information about this deck, alchemy about the cards. You can see what each card represents. For example, the Fool, it's elemental trump of air. The 22 major arcana cards are divided into three types. The Fool, the Hangman and Judgment are the elemental trumps. These personify the qualities of the three mother letters of the Hebrew alphabet. Next we have the 7 planetary trumps, representing the planets and the double letters in Hebrew. The remaining 12 cards signify signs of the zodiac, known as zodiacal trumps, and are connected to the simple letters in the Hebrew alphabet. For information about the minor arcana, in this deck the suits are called scepters, which are the wands. Grails are cups, knives are swords, and the skulls are pentacles. You've got information about core cards, and here you've got using kabbalah and tarot. Here you can see the Tree of Life. I've made a lot of notes when I was studying this deck. And then it goes to reading tips and guidelines. And here you've got the suggested spreads. So for example, here you can see the Soothsayer, Dark Mirror, Blood Trail, Book of Shadows, the Labyrinth, and here you've got some exercises. And now it goes to the card meanings. You don't get the number or the picture of the card, you just get the name, the alchemy, and the kindred spirits. Here the kindred spirits represent divine beings and spirit which can connect with us with the energy of the card. So for example, the Fool, the kindred spirits, is the spirit of the everlasting, and then you've got the essence of the card, the message. There's a lot of information about the card. Here you've got the symbolism, and you also get information about shadow when the card comes reversed in the reading. After the major arcana, you've got the minor arcana, and it also provides great information about each card. So this is the back of the cards. I've etched this deck in black. I think it looks much better like this rather than being the edges white. The cards are a little bit thinner. I've noticed with Llewellyn. They make great guidebooks, but the cardstock can be often very thin. And also when I shuffle these cards, they can be slippery as they are quite glossy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.